Yeah, baby. Let me take you over here to the other side.
I think you're gonna have to be gentle.
Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I just got my hair done. I just got my hair done in some knotless braids. It look good, don't it? Go ahead, tell me it look good. Well, y'all, I didn't sit down in a shop and get these done, and I didn't do these myself. Y'all, this is a knotless braided full lace wig, and it is by the company Brinbea, and I hope I'm saying it correct, but it's by the company Brinbea. And yes, y'all, this is an Amazon exclusive. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna put the picture of the unit right here, and right now they do have a $25 off sale. And this wig is actually, and I'm looking right here because I have everything set up right here, this wig is actually $189.99. so take $189.99, take $25 off of that. And so far they only had the colors 99J, which is this burgundy color, as well as black. And when I say, now y'all know I'm a proponent for braided wigs, especially now, like, you know, braids can go for the summertime as well as for the fall winter months. So braids are just a year-round staple for protecting your hair, having a cute style, you know, making it do what it do or whatever. I just don't feel like sitting down doing those, and y'all know I don't trust people in my hair. So braided wigs are, you know, where it's at for me. And y'all, this braided wig has these beautiful curly ends, so it gives you kind of like a bohemian style with the braids. Now I'm shocked, y'all. When I say I'm shocked because look at that, it's really knotless. And this lace on this wig, I would say, is kind of like a transparent kind of neutral lace. I cut the lace off of this unit, and like I said, it's a 360 lace, so I had to cut around. And y'all, in the back, this wig does, I didn't cut the baby hairs off in the back, but in the back, this wig does have baby hairs in the kitchen area for you. So for those girls who like to have the baby hair in the kitchen area, Brinbea got you for that. Now, me personally, I don't know if I would wear this wig up, and I don't know why my top trying to come down. Y'all, I was trying to flash y'all, and we ain't trying to do that. We ain't trying to have no mistakes like that. So for the girls who like to wear their wigs up, you do have that option of wearing your wig up and then having a little baby hairs in the back. Like, it's baby hairs all around this unit. Since it is that 360 lace unit, it gives you baby hairs all around. So I'm going to roll a clip of me installing this unit. So go ahead and roll that beautiful bean footage. And I'm back. So as y'all can see, wig came packaged kind of standard, didn't come in a box. It came in one of the standard regular bags, which is always cool with me because, you know, bags just kind of make wigs kind of easier to store for me, just because boxes, in my opinion, make things kind of bulky. So I didn't mind the bag, I didn't mind that the wig came in the bag. The wig did come with the standard wig cap with the 2 wig caps and the 2 new wig caps, and I actually had one on under here. As y'all saw, I did use this Magic Tanning Matte Finish Lace Tint, and I got this from my local beauty supply store here. And I didn't use this Wig Extensions Lace Tint Mini. I didn't use this just because it takes a long time to dry, and we really ain't had time for that. So I did use this lace tint and spray, and it says it's a lace tint, not healer lace spray, but it's a lace tint spray. And y'all, don't talk about me being ashy on my hands. Y'all know my hands are mostly all the time ashy because I wash my hands a lot. But out of a 1 through 10, I would definitely have to give this wig a 9. The only reason why I'm giving it a 9 and not a 10 is because I don't like you know, baby hairs right here, and that's just a preference for me. But I don't have that much forehead, so I don't need to put baby hairs all right here. I like to just do, you know, the simple and not big swoopy dramatics. But if you are a big swoopy dramatic type girl, y'all did see how the baby hairs look before I took them off. But that's just, again, that's a preference for me. Don't like big thick baby hairs on me because I only have a little bit of forehead, so I don't got enough forehead to be doing all of that. Like, that's I don't have a lot of forehead to be doing all of that. So this is enough, you know, baby hair swoopage for me. So if you are a person who likes the dramatic swooped out baby hairs, then they got you. Brinbea got you. They got you. And like I said, I love the fact that these are knotless. Like, when, you know, most wigs, when they say knotless, they're not knotless, but this wig is actually knotless. So like I said, the only reason why I took off a point is because baby hairs was a little too dramatic for me. But the fit, the overall craftsmanship of this wig, y'all, is immaculate, if I do say so myself. The craftsmanship on this wig is perfect. You can wear it like how I have it. I have this wig right now currently glueless. The only thing that is really keeping this wig down is the fact that I put the only thing keeping this wig down is that I put this olive oil super hold wig grip gel on the edges. I didn't put anything on the actual lace to keep it down. So if you want to, you could wear this as a, you know, glueless unit. Like, if you're going on vacation and, you know, you want to feel like Meg and switch your wig, make it feel like you're cheating, you can do that, because you could just wear this one day at a vacation, then boom, pull it off and put on another wig and, you know, make it do what it do. Or, you know, just every day, if you want to just switch your wig up every day, this unit gives you that versatility to do that, because you don't have to necessarily stick it down. So like I said, I'm gonna give this wig a 9 out of 10. I will leave the link down below in the description box for this unit so that you all can get this, because this is definitely a wig that y'all need to have in your arsenal. I want to say thank you to Brinbea for sending me over this unit to review for my people. And y'all already know, if the wig and the hair is not good hair, it does not make it onto my channel, because I want you to actually spend your coins on something that's worth it. All right, you guys, I want to say thank you for coming through and watching my video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. All right, you guys, peace.
Looking at your body, goddess Aphrodite. Heard you got that water, baby. Can you come and drown me? I can